talking about linear periodization. There's two types of periodization. There's linear and there's non-linear periodization. Linear is the more simple, and the non-linear is obviously the more complicated, and we can get into non-linear later. But today, talk about linear periodization. It's very simple. Alright, so here, this is just a chart. Basically talking about the reps and sets versus the percentage of the 1 rep max. So in linear periodization, this can go for anyone who lifts. Basically, you'll start out with, for example, I have 75% of your max, and then every week you're going to add either 5-10 pounds if you want to, or if you're doing it by percentage of your 1 rep max, you can go by percentage. So up here we have a 7-week program, and then obviously on week 8 you'll max out. So we start at 3 sets of 10 and at 75%. Each week you're going to go up. We keep our sets the same, but each week your reps are going to go down because of the intensity and the volume. Alright? So, but your percentage is going to go up. So reps are going to go down, percentage is going to go up. So right here we have 3 by 10 at 75%. As you can see, the next week we'll have 3 by 8 at 78%. All the way until we get to the 2 by 2 with 95%. If you remember, I was talking about the prevalence chart on the last video. You want to keep it in the optimal range. So here 3 by 8, that's 24 reps at 78%. That's optimal. You come down here 3 by 4, that's 12 reps at 87%. That's optimal. So over here I have a nice example. So squat. If your squat is 300 pounds, you go 3 by 10 at 225. You hit each rep at 225. You don't want to go up because the whole point is to hit this 75% and hit that optimal sets and reps. Next week you go up 10 pounds based on your percentage, 235, 3 by 6, 245, 255, etc. Going down to your 95%, 285. Now obviously, if your squat is a 500 pounds, or if your squat's higher, or your deadlift bench press is higher, your ranges are going to be larger. So if you were looking at a 500 pound squat, this 10 pound jump might be a 20 pound jump instead. Same thing if your bench is lower, your jumps might be only 5 pounds. Alright? So linear periodization is one of those very basic but very effective ways of programming. Alright, you can program your workout simple just like this and you will make results. It's one of those things, if it's not broke, why try to fix it? It's very good. So on our next video we'll talk about non-linear periodization, and there's 3 different types of non-linear periodization we'll talk about, but we'll get to that.